Ever wondered what secrets lie beneath the enchanting facade of a Disney cruise? Dive deep with us as we uncover the untold truths and hidden surprises that await you aboard the magical voyage. From hidden costs to unexpected adventures, prepare to embark on a journey beyond the fairy tale and into the real world of cruising with Disney. Hidden costs revealed. Beneath the shimmering facade of a Disney cruise lies a trove of concealed expenses, waiting to spring forth like surprises in a treasure chest. Initial ticket prices may appear enticing, but as you embark on your voyage, you'll find yourself navigating through a labyrinth of additional charges. From gratuities and specialty dining fees to shore excursions and onboard activities, each seemingly innocent addition threatens to plunder your pockets. Prepare to uncover these hidden costs, lest they cast a shadow over your enchanting journey across the high seas with Mickey and friends. Hoi, matey! The treasure map to financial transparency awaits. Limited adult activities. Amidst the whimsical charm of a Disney cruise, adults often find themselves adrift in a sea of family-oriented entertainment, longing for their own oasis of relaxation and enjoyment. However, hidden behind the veil of enchantment lies a stark reality, a dearth of activities tailored exclusively for grown-up passengers. While children revel in character meet and greets and themed parties, adults may find themselves yearning for more sophisticated diversions. Whether seeking tranquil retreats or lively nightlife, the options pale in comparison to the abundance of family-centric offerings. Prepare to navigate the waters of limited adult activities, where finding your own slice of paradise requires ingenuity and perseverance. Crowded pools, decks. Picture-perfect scenes of azure pools and sun-drenched decks beckon travelers to bask in the idyllic ambience of a Disney cruise. Yet beneath the veneer of aquatic bliss lies a reality obscured by throngs of fellow passengers vying for a coveted spot under the sun. As families frolic and splash in the pools, finding a tranquil oasis becomes akin to a maritime quest. Deck chairs resemble a precious commodity, each occupied by eager sun seekers. Prepare to navigate the bustling waters of crowded pools and decks, where securing your own slice of relaxation amidst the sea of humanity becomes a true maritime challenge. Unpredictable weather impact. Setting sail on a Disney cruise promises an adventure filled with sunshine and clear skies, but nature's whims can swiftly alter the course of your maritime journey. Behind the veil of anticipation lies the unpredictable dance of weather patterns, capable of casting a shadow over even the most meticulously planned voyage. From sudden squalls to tempestuous seas, the elements wield their power, leaving passengers at their mercy. Prepare to navigate the capricious waters of weather's impact, where adaptability becomes the compass guiding your seafaring escapade through the unpredictable embrace of wind and wave. Food quality variability. Embarking on a Disney cruise conjures images of delectable dining experiences, promising a culinary odyssey to tantalize the taste buds. Yet hidden amidst the gastronomic allure lies a reality marked by the unpredictable ebb and flow of food quality. While some meals dazzle with gourmet flair, others may fall short, leaving palates disappointed. Behind the veil of anticipation lies the varied tapestry of culinary offerings, where each dish presents a gamble of flavors. Prepare to navigate the choppy waters of food quality variability, where culinary highs and lows add an unexpected twist to your seafaring feast aboard the Disney cruise. Onboard shopping expenses. As you embark on a Disney cruise, the promise of magical souvenirs and exclusive merchandise beckons like a siren's call. Yet, hidden beneath the allure of onboard boutiques lies a treacherous sea of inflated prices and tempting treasures. From character-themed trinkets to designer apparel, each display tantalizes eager shoppers with promises of enchantment. However, behind the glittering facade lies the harsh reality of onboard shopping expenses, where impulse buys and indulgent splurges can quickly lead to financial shipwrecks. Prepare to navigate the perilous waters of onboard retail, where budgetary caution becomes the compass guiding your voyage through the sea of temptation. Port excursion prices. As your Disney cruise docks at exotic ports of call, the allure of adventure beckons with promises of thrilling excursions and cultural immersion. Yet lurking beneath the excitement lies a hidden truth: the steep price tags attached to these shore excursions. From snorkeling expeditions to historical tours, each experience offers a tantalizing glimpse into the wonders of the destination. However, behind the veil of exploration lies the reality of port excursion prices, where budget-conscious travelers may find themselves grappling with sticker shock. Prepare to navigate the waters of financial prudence as you weigh the cost of adventure against the treasures awaiting ashore. Cabin-size surprise. Setting sail on a Disney cruise evokes visions of luxurious accommodations, promising a haven of comfort amidst the rolling waves. Yet, hidden within the anticipation lies a revelation that can catch even the most seasoned voyagers off guard: the surprising variability in cabin sizes. From cozy retreats to spacious suites, each stateroom offers a unique experience, but not always as grand as imagined. Behind the promise of maritime luxury lies the reality of cabin-size surprise, where the confines of your quarters may test your seafaring comfort. Prepare to navigate the waters of accommodation expectations as you uncover the true dimensions of your onboard retreat. Wi-Fi access costs. Embarking on a Disney cruise conjures images of disconnected bliss, where the digital world fades into the horizon and the sea becomes your sole companion. Yet beneath the promise of unplugged serenity lies a hidden truth: the steep costs of accessing the cyber realm while at sea. From checking emails to sharing vacation moments, each digital connection comes with a price tag that can quickly add up. Behind the illusion of digital detox lies the reality of Wi-Fi access costs, where staying connected becomes a luxury that may test the boundaries of your vacation budget. Prepare to navigate the seas of connectivity with caution, lest the waves of Wi-Fi fees wash away your financial tranquility. Disembarkation delays. As your Disney cruise adventure nears its end, anticipation mounts for a seamless disembarkation process, promising a swift return to land-based reality. Yet, lurking beneath the veneer of efficiency lies a hidden challenge: the potential for unexpected delays. From customs clearance to logistical hurdles, each step towards disembarkation presents a potential bottleneck that can disrupt your carefully laid plans. Behind the promise of a timely return lies the reality of disembarkation delays, where patience becomes paramount as you navigate the final leg of your seafaring journey. Prepare to weather the storm of logistical challenges and embrace the mantra: all good things must come to an end, but sometimes not as quickly as anticipated. As our journey comes to a close, we hope you've gained valuable insights into the lesser-known aspects of Disney cruises. Remember, adventure awaits around every corner, even amidst the sparkle and magic of the high seas. Don't forget to subscribe for more explorations and tips on navigating the world of travel. Until next time, fair winds and following seas.